on, Jaretones? Hope y'all are well out there and in amazing health. For those of you who are new around here, I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this marvelous studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. So y'all have been asking me about this video, and I am so late, but I told you I'm going to get to these requests as best as I can while still doing things that I feel like you all want to see too. So I'm excited to get into this, and y'all love YEBBA, and I love YEBBA too. And hey, we got a new person coming up that I haven't talked about yet, but I'm talking about him today. Just so you know, this is more so an analysis and not a reaction. So I'm going to be starting and stopping a lot to hear the vocals and talk about what they're doing in the moment. So if you don't like starting and stopping a lot, then go on to another video. This is not the channel or the video for you. But if you don't like that kind of stuff, then this is the channel and video for you. So yo, let's get right into it. Here is Clark BECKHAM and YEBBA singing Gravity by John Mayer.
Gravity is working against me.
Gravity is working against me. You kind of see how my lips are not moving much. My articulation is kind of still or kind of neutral. Gravity is working against me.
Gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, I'll never know what makes this man with all the love that his heart can stand. Dream of ways.
There's also like a rawness, la da da. So it's almost like he doesn't let his vocal folds come together fully, at least right here. So they're kind of apart, and he's kind of pushing the air through his voice, da da da, da 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 da. So then that vibrato kind of has a raw texture, da, to it, you know. But it works. I like the texture and kind of the rawness that he's bringing to the song right here. Yeah.
Throw it all away.
Throw it all away. So you see when he said away, that jaw went up a little bit. Away. And it's almost like you're playing with the position of the lyrics. Away. And kind of letting that kind of navigate the vibrato, if you will, maybe. But he kind of kept that jaw still. Away. And we let that air pass through the vocal folds like that.
Ooh, gravity.
So she wanted to come all the way down and come all the way back up. Ascending runs are not easy at all. To me, they're more difficult than descending runs. Gravity, something like that. I don't know if I did it right, but she kind of bounced down and it bounced back up. And she did it like it was effortless, like it was nothing. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna just sing it like this, to do this big old run to start out. Like, my gosh.
It's been working against me.
So her texture changed right there. Her vocal timbre changed. When she said it's working against me, she said working twice. That's a little churchy. It's working against me. Whatever she did. And then she kind of got more brighter. Gravity. You can see it in her mouth too. She got a little more smiley, a little more spread, versus before it was kind of here. But now she's maybe a little more higher tongue too.
It wants to bring me down. Twice as much. Ain't ever twice as good. Twice as good. And can sustain like one half good, oh, it's one and more.
That transition she did right there to that key change, or the chordal change, I should say. That was nice, and she really played it well, and played it where you had to pay attention to kind of hear that it changed. But she almost keeps her articulation right here. She doesn't do a lot of so much, especially in this rendition, in this song, in this performance right here. She kind of keeps it right here, but she still kind of preaches when she talks a little bit. It's kind of like a preachy charisma, not necessarily like she's preaching, but you know, it's like a preachy type charisma. And I know she loves gospel and she loves the Clark sisters, so this is clearly up her alley in terms of singing like this. So
it's gonna send me to working against me now.
She kind of had like a vocal fry start on that run right there. And I don't know what I'm doing, but I just wanted to show that beginning part. She had that little vocal fry, vocal slack. It was like a pitched vocal slack in a way. That don't make no sense because vocal fry, you just have pitch, so to speak. But yeah, it was like a pitched vocal fry thing. Or like a pitched vocal fry onset. Like a slack onset. Huh.
Let's take a better man than me. How could that be? But keep me where the light is.
I love that keep he just did. But keep me where the lights. That head voice flip right there. Keep me where the lights. Yeah, I like how he flipped down. Kind of how he boop up there and it kind of came back down. I like that. That was nice. That was real nice.
Just keep me where the light is. Oh no. Just keep me where the light is. Just keep me where the light is. Hey. Keep me where the light is shining.
So they want to go to church now. Okay, I got you. I got you.
Hey, won't you keep me where the light is shining? Won't you keep me where the light is shining down on me?
That reminded me of Aretha Franklin. That little run right there, that gave me a little Aretha Franklin vibes. How she kind of flipped up and kind of kept it sweet, but still had a little power behind it. And she kind of kept that power and the shape the same here. She kept her vocal track shape the same and kind of kept her mouth shape the same. So there wasn't a huge difference besides the register shift, so to speak. You see how I kind of, when I went down through it, if I kept the shape the same, the consistency can still stay there even though I'm flipping registers and things like that. That's kind of what she did right there.
I want to keep me where the light is shining bright.
He has a different squall, a different type of texture. It's almost like there's more air puffing through his squall. Keep me well instead of keep me well. Because usually in squalls, the air is not so much heard, but it's still used. But here you can still hear the air in his squall. It's almost like a push versus a It's a huh, if that makes sense. I hope y'all catch my drift with that.
Oh no! Hey, I want to keep.
Now they're a little more fuller here, and his air and his squall kind of went away, and he kind of went up there real good, and they're kind of keeping it right there. Keep me where the light is shining. Watch it. That can go there. Keep where the light is shining. Okay? Keep me where the light is shining. All right, y'all. Keep playing with me.
Me where the light is shining. Hey, keep me where the light is shining.
Do you notice their bodies right here? I was trying to find a place to pause to show y'all. So if you notice their bodies, their torsos and their necks are engaged. This type of singing, keep this type of intensity, you need your body for support to anchor. And these back neck muscles right here are gonna help you anchor too. A lot of people think when I say that I'm talking about tension, I'm not talking about neck tension. I'm talking about these supportive muscles and structures back here that can help support your voice, especially when you're belting and kind of doing some high intensity singing and things like that. Even Clark on the piano, his body is straight up. And she's pointing at herself, and I know she's kind of pointing just to kind of talk about the song, but you can even see her torso. And on Shining, she's really using those breathing muscles here and those supportive muscles back on in here to really help the belting and the high intensity singing that they're doing right here. Her flipping registers and stuff through her runs, going from thin fold high to thicker fold low, it is so seamless how she does it. Just like that line was nice. That was kind of jazz. And that was also a nice arpeggiation of the chordal progressions of this part right here. Or a good way to play with the chordal structures, I'll say. Because I don't think he was more so doing those chords necessarily, but she kind of heard that progression and kind of heard that scale while he was playing.
You keep me where the light is.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, Terratones, I'll see y'all soon.